Shut up and sit down.
With the new ZenFone 4, Asus launches an upper-middle-class smartphone with a 5.5-inch screen coming in the typical 16:9 screen ratio. At €499, $591, the ZenFone 4 comes with the Snapdragon 630, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, Germany. A Pro version is due to come out by the end of the year. This Pro version will come with a Snapdragon 835 and will be the first ever smartphone to have ADWLAN. Asus' new phone is all about its camera. Its dual-lens camera uses dual-pixel technology and is capable of wide-angle shots. This makes it a direct competitor of LG's G6, which, at the time of this review, is even more affordable. Although the price range of about €500 houses few competitors, flagship smartphones of the previous generation such as the Samsung Galaxy S7, the LG G6 and Huawei's P10 can be found around there. The BQ Aquaris X Pro tries to fill the same niche, but its SRP is lower by around €100, $118. Other strong competitors are the smaller Honor 9, but other larger phones such as the OnePlus 5 and Nokia 8 also come at similar prices. In Germany, Asus offers the phone in black and white, with another mint green variant being available internationally. The device's design is appealingly sleek and simple. Its camera is flush with the case, so that it can be put down flat on a table. Corning Gorilla Glass protects both front and back of the phone, making it prone to slide from surfaces that are not completely level. Although smudges and fingerprints appear visibly on the phone's surface, they can be removed easily. The ZenFone's build quality is good and its frame makes it a robust device that is resistant to bending. The frame spacing is even and it fits to the phone's body snugly, just as we like it. The card slot cover is flush with the case and made from the same material, with the inner card slide being made from plastic. It either takes 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. The phone's battery is built-in and its case is not IPA certified. The ZenFone's USB-C port actually houses a USB-C 2.0 interface, which does not interconnect with display cables. It is, however, capable of OTG and can connect to external storage devices and peripherals. The microSD slot takes cards up to a capacity of 2 terabytes, which is the maximum capacity denominated by the SDXC standard. At the time of this review, the largest available microSD cards store about 400 gigabytes. The ZenFone 4 cannot format microSDs for use as internal memory or transfer apps to them. The device also supports wireless communications via VHF band, Miracast Wi-Fi Direct, NFC and Bluetooth 5.0. Bluetooth 5.0 is utilized only after an update to Android 8.0 Oreo, with Bluetooth 4.2 being used otherwise.